Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just shifted to a new room, and this is a single room for reference. I'll be staying alone here. This is what my room looks like. It's a total mess right now. The stuffs I have not organized yet, and this is the kitchen. It just got painted and I had to wait like almost a week for it to get painted. So I was shifted on 1st of November, but it took a lot of time for the painting, since the painter wasn't coming and many painter ditched our owners. So yeah, it took a lot of time. So I'll be leaving for Vishal now. It's almost 6:40. So I've just reached Vishal. So chaotic. I'm so exhausted. I've just reached my room and I'm really tired. I'm gonna give you a little haul of all the stuff that I bought. I did not vlog much inside because I was very not in the mood. So yeah, let's do a mini haul of all the stuff that I got from Vishal Market. It's a lot of stuff, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, let's get started. At first, we went to Paltan Bazaar to buy the strings to hang my curtains, since the owner did not provide any rods, so I gotta work with this. And then I got one pair of pillowcase. It is for 39 each. And then I got a pair of sock. It is for like 50 rupees. It's for 99. And I got this doormat. I'm gonna be putting this near my bathroom. I need one more doormat, which I'll be buying later on. Now I do not have much money, so yeah, I'm low in budget. And then Lolly Choco Pie, strawberry flavored, and I got this thing. So it is of 3 tiers. 2 tier I'll be using for the vegetables and stuff, and 1 tier will be used for the utensils. I'll be keeping my utensils in that. And on the way home I got this incense stick for mosquito, and I got few snacks, and I got potatoes, and I don't know what I got. I don't remember. So yeah, that's it for this haul. मैंने दाल को चला दिया है. I have to close the lid, और हमारा fish is marinating in salt and turmeric. So आज हम लोग दाल और fish fry खाएंगे, guys. सो रही है, बात करनी है. So my dal is getting cooked here, and this is my rice along with the potatoes, because I'll be having mashed potatoes with dal and some omelette. Hey guys, I just got ready and now I'm gonna go to Paltan Bazaar because the strings that I bought yesterday to hang my curtains were loose, so I gotta fix that today, and then only will be able to put my this curtains. For now it's the bed sheet. We can't do anything because the string is loose, and I put this bed sheet with some clips. Yeah, we have reached Zudio, guys. I'm thinking of trying this on. Guys, right now I'm in the trial room. I got 2 pants. I guess these are yoga pants and a top. I'm gonna try this on and show you all. This is all the clothes. So let's try this on. So this is how the pants look like on. Hello guys, I finally reached my room and I got myself this from Zudio and it was for 500. I've been wanting a sandal for a long time, so this is the one. Also, I got my string fixed. Now I think I'll be able to put my curtains in my door and my windows. Good morning everyone. I just got ready and this is what I'm wearing. I'm all ready to go to Lachit Ghat for watching the air show. I don't know if I can make it. It's already like 1 p.m. so let's see what happens. Hello everyone, I just received a parcel from Instamart, so let's do a mini haul. First of all, I got a packet of cinnamon, then some mustard oil, and I wanted to try this Kerala garlic mix, so I got this one, and some masoor ki dal and some baby potatoes. And now I'll be cooking dinner. I bought chicken, so today I'll be having chicken for dinner. I have already chopped the vegetables and now I'm gonna start cooking.